really quick tip for you guys. I have just a leftover piece of MDF that I'm gonna actually make a nameplate out of. And it's just MDF. I've painted it white. And now I'm gonna show y'all a quick way to get a really neat background. So I'm gonna come in here with a granite. No, yes, it's actually called granite. And I'm just gonna hit it really quick just to lay down some color. Get my edges. And I'm not worried about super 100% coverage. That's it. Just kind of lay down some base coat. Then I'm going to come back with silver metallic. It's actually a silver metallic. Now this is really important that you really shake this can. And if you have a big process or a big space that you're spraying, that you come back and shake it often, because all of that mica starts to go down to the bottom of the can. So now I'm going to come back. Now I definitely want 100% coverage. And I want to be pretty quick at this, because while the paint is still wet, and I want to get quite a bit on the surface, I'm going to actually overspray it. I would never do this if I was just trying to paint it, but I want a lot of product on the top, and it's wet. Now I'm coming back with deep silver metallic. You could probably use just about any color, but I really like the contrast that I get. And I'm just going to come back and put some alcohol. Now, that is the coolest, quickest way to get a hammered effect. I love this. You can even come, say if I didn't like one area, if I wanted to come back and add and hit it again. So that's it. That is literally all I'm gonna do. Let it dry. Then I can just put a clear coat and leave it at that. I can add mica to my clear coat. I can even come over and do a different finish with veins and everything. But this is my background. This is my depth that I'll be looking into. But I guarantee you, you could do this on a countertop. Literally do this and then put a clear coat and boom, you've got yourself a finish. So that's just a quick tip for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Come learn to work with epoxy hands-on at one of our classes. Whether it's your first time using epoxy or you're wanting to start or grow an epoxy business, we have a class for you. Visit www.rk3designs.com to learn more. Space is limited, so sign up today.